In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorites on Safari. If you use Safari on your iPhone or iPad and want quicker access to the websites you visit most often, adding them to your favorites is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. Favorites give you a simple shortcut to your most important sites. So instead of typing the web address every time, you can open them in just a tap. To get started, open Safari and go to the website you want to save. Make sure you're already on the exact page or site you want in your favorites because this is the version Safari will remember for you. Once the website has loaded, tap the Share button. This is the square icon with an arrow pointing upward. It usually appears at the bottom of the screen on iPhone, and depending on your device, it may appear in a slightly different position on iPad. Tapping this opens the sharing menu where you'll find several actions for the page you're viewing. From that menu, tap Add to Favorites. Safari will then give you the option to edit the name of the favorite before saving it. This is helpful if you want the title to be shorter, clearer, or easier to recognize later. If the default name looks good to you, you can leave it as it is. After that, tap Save. The website is now added to your Safari favorites, which means it will be much easier to access in the future. To view your favorites, open Safari again, then either open a new tab or tap the address bar. Your saved favorite websites should appear in the Favorites section. This gives you a convenient way to jump directly to the sites you use most without having to search for them again. If you ever want to make changes, Safari also lets you edit or remove favorites. To do that, open Safari and tap the bookmarks icon. From there, tap Favorites to see the list of sites you've saved. Then touch and hold the favorite you want to change. You'll see options to edit or delete. Choose Edit if you want to update the name or make adjustments, or choose Delete if you no longer want that website in your favorites list. This is useful for keeping your favorites clean and relevant over time, and that's all there is to it. Once you start using Safari favorites, browsing becomes faster, simpler, and much more convenient.